In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Gmail account. By the end of this walkthrough, you will have a new Google account with a Gmail address ready to use for email and other Google services. First, go to the Google account signup page. The easiest way is to open your web browser and type Google account signup into your search bar. Then open the official Google signup page from the results. Once the page loads, you should see the account creation form. Next, click Create Account and then choose For My Personal Use. This option is meant for everyday email, personal apps, and general use. Selecting the right account type helps make sure the setup matches what you need. Now enter your first name and last name in the fields provided. Take your time and make sure the spelling is correct, since this name can appear on emails you send. When you are ready, click Next to continue. On the next screen, enter your birthday and select your gender. These details help Google confirm you meet age requirements and personalize certain settings. After you fill those in, click Next again. Then you will choose your Gmail address. You may see a few suggested addresses based on your name. You can select one of the suggestions or click Create Your Own Gmail address if you want something custom. When you type a custom address, try to keep it simple and easy to remember. If the address is already taken, you may need to adjust it slightly. After you have an available address selected, click Next. Now create a strong password. Enter your password, then confirm it by typing it again. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to make it harder to guess, and avoid using personal details that others could easily find. When both fields match, click Next. At this point, a QR code will appear, and you will need to scan it to proceed. Use your phone camera or a QR scanning tool to scan the code, then follow the instructions that appear on your phone. This step helps verify your setup and keeps your account secure. Finally, follow the remaining on-screen prompts to finish. Review any details you are asked to confirm, accept the terms when you are ready, and complete the setup. Once you are done, your Gmail account will be created and you can start using it right away. And that covers everything you need to know.